Good morning. I'm gonna go meet a couple of my riding buddies, and we're gonna go meet at a street riding group, and they have a route going up that's gonna take us towards some dirt we want to ride anyway, so we'll ride with them part of their route. We gotta get a This is where we're gonna probably part ways anyway and go hit some dirt. Okay, I forgot I was filming a video there. We parted ways, said goodbye. There's 4 of us, and we're heading up to dirt now. All right, this thing starts right here. This is where Jamie says, nope, Could do it, but why? Whoa, fuck. I should have sent the DRZ first. That's why I brought this.
My dad used them to cut like orchard branches.
Let's go see how many more branches and trees are in the way. It doesn't look like anybody's been on this season. Maybe there's a track. That's a track actually. Ground is kind of soft right now. It's weird. So many pine needles and probably runoff. Woo! Look at that view. We were just right down there, I think. Okay, so they turned around right there, and the tracks don't continue. No, you just need to be mindful that there might be branches and obstacles, I guess. Let's see. This seems like something I could just kind of. That was half commitment there. Whoa, whoa, good thing I brought the saw. I shouldn't have parked so close. Oh, this is low clearance, yeah. Fire, pine needles. Nobody riding this for probably a year. Johnny was joking about bringing his R6 down with us. I bet he could have made it. I told him he wouldn't have to worry about shifting at all. Oh wow, it burned that thing. I used to have to ride under this big tree that was down. This bike is so tall. What? Another thing? Fuck. We're gonna be out here all day cutting trees. Just keep the saw in my pocket, I guess. Seth said I should bring work gloves for this, and I think he's right. Come on, buddy. Whew. My mic is 1 inch from my face, and I'm just like, I'm sorry. That's good. Very good. Every time I gotta turn this off, it makes me more annoyed. And those street guys think they're badass. Oh, ow, ow. I take it back. Stop hitting me. Okay, I'm gonna put my face shield down because now I'm in like tank mode. Ow. So as long as I don't hook my peak on something. Oh, I gotta break these goggles in there. Acting like nose pinchers or something. Kind of hard to wheelie because the back tire doesn't get a whole lot of traction, and I have it pumped up to like 32. Oh, come on, just right there. Just send it. Alright, we're gonna try the other part of the single track, which I now feel like there's no way we'll be able to get through it. Just because of trees and stuff. And because nobody's been able to get up here, I guess, and maintain anything, it looks like. We'll find out. This definitely burns, though. We are in the burn area. I need to look farther ahead. Okay, and then there's four-wheeler tracks or something here, so this part's more like double track, but it's this really cool climb. It's kind of a mess right now, though, with all the debris from fire control and whatever else, storms, logs sticking out in the road. Oh yeah, okay, cool. That's a hell of a... Oh wow, look at that. Oh yeah. Another one. I'm just gonna take them slow. Man, it's like a whole other world up here. It's nuts. I think that there was probably a slide through here. Oh yeah. Oh no. How bad is that? Fuck. I don't know. But once you're down there, you're fucked if you...
Yeah, you're totally fucked.
You're on the DRZ. Why don't you go see if that goes up to the road? I'll take it up there and see if it comes out. If it does, I think we can get through here. Well, I might go up over there.
Yeah.
Man, there's like no traction because of all the pine needles. And I gotta get back up this somehow. It's a little sketch. I don't want to do this on the Ténéré. He's got the smaller Supermoto front rim, but with a knobby off-road, so it doesn't really like roll over like a 21-incher would. Oh, this is almost worse that I can make it all the way because I don't know if I can get the Ténéré through that. Man, yep, there it is. It's gonna be scary. Riding a bike I've never ridden before through this. This thing is fun though. This is like a really good bike to learn on. It's like the DRZ, except for also it's low because of the way that it is. Yeah, we get around this and it's all smooth sailing pretty much. A couple little things. You want to? Okay, You want to film? All right, 2 down, 1 to go. I'm sure this looks like nothing on here. It's really not even that steep, but it's so loose. Well, he didn't go wide. That's okay. Maybe. Oh, they just killed my helmet. I don't know what Jamie's problem is. He would have been fine on the BMW. But there's actually the hard part. Oh, he's good. Got some of the dirt out of my helmet, but not all of it. Having obstructed vision, but it's fine. Ow. Ooh. What am I doing? I was trying to fix my helmet and run into the tree. Anyway, these guys are wanting to get up and get back to pavement. This took like 8 times longer than it normally would. Oh, we did it! And we cleared the pass so I could ride it again. Somebody eventually this year will get out there with a chainsaw, I almost guarantee it. There was one of those cool big excavators that cuts trees and limbs them parked down here last weekend. I wonder if it's still nearby. There it is. Warata. Oh cool, more stuff. Another one, that one's bigger. Alright. Oh, thanks for coming.
See you next weekend, man.
All right, ride safe. Yeah. All right, those guys are going that way. I'm going this way. I might as well try and get one more thing in here. There's a pretty easy single track up here. I'll take the Ténéré down it right now. I'm just gonna try and get through this mess. I don't know what is etiquette right now. I just want to ride on this train. Jeez. Need to have like a little bit of a plan if there's other people. Anyway, they're probably not coming down here, so here's what I think we'll do is we'll just get through the double track section here and I'll record the single track in full. Oh, move. Jesus. It's like, what is that stick doing? This is the throttle in Explore mode. And it's still plenty punchy enough. Explore mode's like the lighter of the two. Sport's the snappy one. Oh yeah, oh yeah, okay. Ow. These poor plastics. The ones I ordered are gonna end up being my clean ones. Hell yeah. There's a longer version of that, but it's probably a mudslide right now. I just found this other cool shortcut that just pops you right back up to the top there. Oh yeah, it's right up here. Let's do it. If I run into that family again, I'm gonna be kind of annoyed, but this is all new to me. New as far as I know. There it is. That's right back where we started at the gate right here. That's a fun little loop. All right, well, that's definitely a wrap. Should have a nice view up here though. There's your nice view. Oh, it's raining over there. What a ride. That was great. That was a fantastic ride. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And I will catch you later.